Day everyone. Okay, let's explore the North Korea and its police system overview. This picture is the North Korean national flag, and this man here is Kim Jong-un, their supreme head or leader since 2011 until now 2020. The capital of North Korea is Pyongyang, and North Korea has 25.55 million citizens as of 2018. The government is dictatorship, socialist state, Juche, one-party state. North Korea is officially the Democratic People's Republic of Korea, and it is an East Asian country constituting the Northern Korean Peninsula. Okay, the South, syempre the South Korea. North Korea is now one of the poorest countries on earth. It is bordered by South Korea with the heavily fortified Korean demilitarized zone separating the two, the North and the South. North Korea is a highly centralized country. Facts about North Korea. North Korea is a country where if you wear jeans, it should be black because blue is prohibited. Why is blue prohibited? Because they believe that by banning this, an anti-West and anti-US message is being delivered. Means, or they believe that the blue the blue jeans symbolizes the American imperialism, which is obviously an enemy of an Asian nation. Okay, that's why they ban the wearing of blue jeans. Number two, the use of mobile phones by local residents were banned. Number three, tourists are not allowed to use the local national currency of North Korean wons. In North Korea, meron silang mga shops na para lang sa mga taga North Korea, and also they have a shop na pinatayo para sa mga tourists where they can use yuans, South Korean wons, dollars, and euros, and many more currencies. And the tourists are not allowed to enter shops for the local Koreans and not allowed to buy anything from that shop. Number four, internet access is not allowed generally available in North Korea. Internet access is only for some high-level officials. They are allowed to access the global internet. In most universities in North Korea, a small number of strictly monitored computers are provided. Yung ibang citizens can access, pero sa country's national internet lang, which they call Kwangmyong. North Korea Police System Overview. The police agency in North Korea is called Ministry of People's Security under the department named Justice and Security Commission. The National Korea Police ranks is, or the highest rank is the general, followed by the colonel general, lieutenant general, major general, senior general, colonel, lieutenant colonel, major, captain, senior lieutenant, lieutenant, junior lieutenant, followed by first sergeant, senior sergeant, sergeant, junior sergeant, corporal, lance corporal, senior private, and private as the lowest rank. in North Korea police system. The type of law enforcement in North Korea, as I said earlier, was centralized. They have estimated strength 144,000 public security personnel. This logo is the North Korea police logo. Short history about North Korea. Hindi ko na lang siya i-discuss kasi medyo may kahabaan. Pero you can read it by pausing the video. North Korea organizational structure. On the highest part is the president or the supreme head. Under the president on his left is the Baath Party National Command, followed by National Security Bureau, the Ministry of Interior. And under the Ministry of the Interior was the Intelligence Services and the National Police Force. And under the Intelligence Services is the Political Security Directorate and the General Intelligence Directorate. Under the right side of the president is the Ministry of Defense, followed by Armed Forces. And under the Armed Forces, it has 4 branches: the Army, the Navy, the Air Force, and the Intelligence Services. Under the Intelligence Services, the Air Force Intelligence and the Military Intelligence. While in the Army is the Republican Guard, Special Forces, and 4th Division. Recruitment in North Korea. One does not normally volunteer to join the ranks of the police. Instead, the local party committee summons young people whom it considers to be worthy candidates and offers them a job. Okay, unlike sa ibang countries, like in the Philippines, yung mga graduate ng, kunyari, you are a graduate, you can go and apply for the job. On the case of North Korea, there is no volunteer. Walang nagvo-volunteer, bagkus yung mismong committee or yung agency ang mag-aalok ng job for those peoples na worth it na kunin para sa job or position. They are suitable for the job. That's the case in North Korea. Okay, North Korea's firearms, weapons, equipments. On this part of my report, we can say na mas pinagtuunan ng North Korea or mas binigyan nila ng budget ang firearms, weapon, and equipments. Kasi earlier, I discussed that North Korea is one of the poorest country on earth. Pero on this part, we can see na parang hindi sila mahirap kasi they have many equipments, firearms and weapons, from 9 semi-automatic pistols. 9 means 9 types lang. Hindi pa nasabi dito kung ilang pieces ba meron ang bawat type ng semi-automatic pistols. They also have 4 types of submachine guns, 1 type of shotgun, and 1 for carbine. Assault rifles, they have 9. They have sniper rifles, 4 types. On the light machine guns, they have 7 types. The heavy machine guns, they have 3. On the grenade launchers, they have 3 also, and 1 for the non-lethal. And on these small arms, reserve small arms, they have 15 types. Okay? Here, dito mas makikita pa natin na mas talagang pinagtunan nila ng budget yung pagbili ng weapons. Because they have 16 types of tanks, and each one hindi bababa sa 100 pieces ang isa. Like this, on Type 59, they have 175. Sa Type 59 pa lang yan. On the T-55, they have 2,000 pieces. So you see, they are one of the poorest countries on earth, but they have too much. I can say that it's too much, pero ang dami ng equipments. It is too much para sa isang country na kasama sa poorest countries on earth, di ba? See? Dito sa vehicles nila, they have Mercedes G-Class. The type is a 4 utility vehicle. Seen during the funeral of Kim Jong. Okay. Kim Jong-il is one of the former supreme head of North Korea, for the information of others. Kaya pala ganito pa siya. Okay, napaka-social. Sa artillery nila, they have 11 types. Okay, let's proceed to their police uniform. Okay, the turquoise colors represents both warmth and coldness, embodying trust, protection, and passion, but also strong vitality. That is according to the police agency. The uniform which is navy blue with turquoise tops is for regular duty police officers. Well, this one, the ivory tops, is for the traffic police officers. Okay, this is the rank insignia. You can see for the general have 4 big star, the colonel with 3, the lieutenant general with 2, and the major general with 1. Under this is the senior colonel with 4, colonel with 3, lieutenant with 2, major with 1. These 4, their insignia consists of two thin vertical lines, color blue, and the captain, it has 4 little stars with 1 vertical line, senior lieutenant with 3 little stars, lieutenant with 2, and junior lieutenant with 1. The sergeant with a vertical line and a thicker horizontal line. Parang nag-shape siya ng T. Nakikita nyo naman, di ba? And the senior, may isang makapal na horizontal line with 2 horizontal lines. The sergeant, isang manipes at isang malapad. The junior sergeant, isang malapad lang. The corporal, 3 maninipis na lines, horizontal lines. The lance corporal, na merong 2, senior private na isa, and the private, nothing. Parang yun lang, yung dot na nakikita nyo, yan lang. Best practices in North Korea. Beyond policing, its services include operating the prison system in North Korea, which is part of the Corrections Bureau of the Ministry of the Public Security, monitoring the public distribution system, and providing bodyguards to important persons. Okay, here I have 10 facts about human rights in North Korea. Number 1 is the 2.6 million modern-day slaves exist in North Korea. Ang dami. Slaves, 2.6. Number 2, yung 2.6, nasa ilang percent na to? 4%. Almost 4% na ng kanilang population. Number 2, political freedom is virtually non-existent. You see, sa North Korea, hindi sila bumoboto. Parang dynasty yung kanila. Yung pagpapalit ng ng head. Number 3, kasi yung sa number 2, kasi yung si Kim Jong-un is anak siya ng former na supreme head din ng North Korea. Number 3, class status is determined by loyalty. Number 4, arbitrary arrest and torture in custody often occur. Arbitrary arrest, ito yung pag-aresto ng wala silang sapat na ebidensya kung ikaw ba mismo yung gumawa, kung sangkot ka ba sa krimen, basta hinuhuli ka na lang ng nothing. Unlike here in the Philippines or in the other countries, dapat may ebidensya sila na ikaw talaga yung gumawa or sangkot ka sa krimen. Number 5, forced abortion occurs as a form of ethnic cleansing. Here in the Philippines, abortion is very illegal, while on them, you see, form of ethnic cleansing. Number 6, religious communities, especially Christians, are persecuted. As far as I know, yung sa Juche, yun yung kanina na kuha nila. Parang pinaka-religion nato nila, Juche, to North Korea. North Korea abducts foreign national. Number 8, despite signing several human rights treaties, these abuses continue. Number 9, China recently began enforcing more sanctions on North Korea. Sanctions para siyang threats. Sanctions. Number 10, despite little improvement, awareness about these crimes continues to grow. Okay. Thank you for watching.